Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign out of the OnePay app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you are using the OnePay app on someone else's device and you want to go ahead and sign out. Or maybe you're trying to sell your mobile device and you simply just want to sign out just to make sure. How do you actually go ahead and sign out of the OnePay app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, let's first open up the OnePay app. Then on the upper right-hand corner, click on your profile icon name. And then here, on the bottom-hand side, you're going to see the blue Sign Out button. So once you click on Sign Out, that should log you out of the OnePay app. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and sign out of the OnePay app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.